Hello everybody, we are here in Rennes to present you a new innovative concept. In our society, people spend less and less time to eat. This is why the innovative concept we present you will overthrow the way people used to eat. With Magic Microwave, you don't need to cook. You only need the powder, which turns itself into a real meal. You don't believe me?
Hey man, there's a nice girl coming over tonight. I'm going to do a really good cookie, man. Let's see what I have. Oh no, man! There's going to be more food in the fridge. Somebody took it. What am I going to do, man?
Relax, I have a solution for you. Hello, my friend!
Hey, my friend.
Hey, how are you?
Fine, thanks.
Fine. That's my friend.
Yes?
He has a
You got
big food problem.
Okay, I created the microwave revolution, man. Hey, Rashid, come on.
Okay.
It was the delivery.
Oh, okay, great. Be the best cooker.
Hey guys,
Hi.
With this
fucking stairs, man.
machine.
Hey man, how you doing?
I just need a signature, please.
Okay, here you go, man.
Thank you very much. So this is
that's
yours.
it, man.
Enjoy it, man.
Thank you,
Try
man.
it.
Thank
See you soon.
Try
Bye.
it. Take
Bye.
it easy.
Bye.
Take
Bye.
He's gonna be good. Hey, gorgeous. Please come in.
Hello, my dear.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hey, ma'am. Please make yourself at home.
Thank you. Oh.
Can I take your coat?
Oh yeah, you can take whatever you like.
Mommy, you're looking good tonight.
Oh, thank you.
Please sit down.
Okay.
Would you like something to drink?
Oh yes, please.
Are you thirsty?
I'm so-
Going to be ready soon enough.
Really?
Yes.
Because I'm thirsty, but I'm still hungry.
Yeah, don't worry. Should we take this upstairs or not?
Sure can.
There's going to be plenty of food. Yes, ladies first.
Okay.
Go ahead. Oops. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Sit down. I'll be back with the food. Okay, everybody, we're going to try the new Magic Microwave. So here's the thing. Take a bag, put it in the plate, put it in the microwave. Select the dish. Steak and potatoes, you put it on. Let's see what the result it is. As you can see, a full plate. Hey baby, look what I have for you.
Hello.
A full dish
Oh my god.
for the both of us.
That was very nice. You were right. You are the best cooker I ever met.
Yeah, I know.
But I'm very, very tired right now.
If you want to, there's my bed so you can come inside.
Really, may I?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Alright.
You're very welcome in my bed.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, no, please. May I help
we
you?
take him?
Yes, please. Come with me, come with me, come with me, come with me. Please, this is the way, this is the way.
Alright.
So you go inside, take care of this thing.
Okay.
Magic Microwave, best thing in the world.